In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark emails as important in Outlook. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to prioritize your emails, ensuring that important messages stand out from the rest. Let's jump right into the process, and I'll guide you step by step. First, let's head over to your Outlook inbox. Once you're there, take a look at your list of emails and identify the one you want to mark as important. When you've found it, hover your mouse over the email to reveal more options. With the email in sight, you want to right-click on it. This will open up a context menu with a variety of options. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Categorize. It might be about halfway down the list. Click on it to reveal a secondary menu. Now, categorizing your emails doesn't just help you mark them as important. It's also a fantastic way to organize your inbox so that you can quickly find what's most crucial. Within this Categorize menu, you'll often see several color categories. These colors are customizable to help you better manage your email flow. For the purpose of marking your emails as important, you'll want to select a color category that signifies importance to you. For instance, many people use the red category to denote urgency or importance, but the choice is entirely yours. To change a category color, if you haven't set it up yet, simply click on All Categories at the bottom of the list. This brings up the Color Categories window, where you can rename any of the existing colors to align with your needs. For instance, you might rename Red Category to Important Emails. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click OK to apply these changes. After making your category selection, you'll see that the email now has a colored tag next to it, indicating its new status. This visual cue acts as a consistent reminder of its priority, helping you keep track of essential messages as your inbox continues to fill up over time. Remember, this method doesn't just give your email a visual tag, it also allows you to sort your emails by category. Next time you need to find an important email, simply sort your inbox by this color category, and all your important emails will be grouped together. And there you have it. That's how you mark emails as important in Outlook. By utilizing these categories, you can streamline your email management, ensuring that you never miss an important message. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this process, feel free to reach out in the comments below or through our support channels.